Please be aware that you may experience very strong emotional shifts during this video. Use at your own risk. Hey there, it's Colleen Flanagan, Mind Body Wisdom expert and master dowser. Greetings to all my dowsing devotees and fans of Mind Body Wisdom. This particular video is going to show how to identify and clear fatigue. It's going to be emotional fatigue and mental fatigue. And it will probably uplift your physical energy as well. So you got 3 things clearing all out in one video. Gotta love that. So what I do is when I douse for different kinds of fatigue or things that are going on, it's like I just don't feel right. Quite often it's an overload from things going on outside of me. And I just recently watched a business video where the business guru said, do not check your social media, your email, any of that stuff first thing in the morning, because you will give yourself decision fatigue. Because when we check all that stuff, it's like, okay, should I read this? Should I read this article? Should I answer this person? Should I block this person? What should I do here? And then by the time you turn all that off and either go into work, or if you work at home like I do, you've made all these decisions and you don't realize this, but your brain is already filled full of mental trash from all the stuff that you saw. Here's a quick way to clear mental trash. I now release all mental trash. I clear it out of my mind. All the energies of my mind, my physical brain, the skull, the spinal cord, everything, just clear it out. Left hemisphere, right hemisphere. And I allow 100% beautiful, strong blood flow to both hemispheres of my mind, my brain, as they work together now. See how easy that is? Then you could check time travel dowsing 1 hour ago. I had there was mental trash in human Colleen's mind. Now, mental trash in human Colleen's mind. Nope. Okay. Human Colleen, somewhere in her energy, is feeling a little slow. Like there's some sluggish energy in there. And that's actually emotional fatigue. Okay. We know about compassion fatigue, which is you feel so bad about so many people going through so many tough times, or 1 or 2 members of your family, whatever it is, or a colleague, a neighbor. I personally, as in the human form, human Colleen, I have compassion fatigue for someone or something at this time. No. Well, that's good because I just cleared that earlier. I do have a fatigue of another kind. All right. I have news fatigue. Yes, I do. You pretty much can't get rid of it, right? Because there's news on social media, there's advertising wherever you go on your email and stuff, so let's just clear that out. I now release all fatigue over seeing so much news. Today, this past month, past year, 4 years, my entire life, news fatigue, completely gone, and so it is. Just clearing the governing vessel meridian. You could do this, you could do this. Just clears the energy. It's great. At this time, as human Colleen, I have news fatigue. See how easy it is? Other fatigues you might have. I've been angry a lot these last few years. We won't go into details why. But I have, human Colleen, my human Ford, I have some anger fatigue at this time. On a scale of 0 to 10, 10 being the absolute worst. Insane anger fatigue, 0 being it all gone. I have level 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Well, that's still pretty high. Let's clear that out, releasing all the anger fatigue from everything that's upset me, that I've been so upset and angry about. The unfairness of the world, politics, you name it, I was angry about it. Letting it all go now, and so it is. Okay, here's another quick way to check things. Human Colleen, anger fatigue. Anger fatigue, I want to be healthy. Anger fatigue, I want to be sick. So I have cleared the anger fatigue. You can think of other non-beneficial, harmful, traumatic emotions you've been feeling and just check yourself and clear it, just like what I've done with the anger fatigue and such. Compassion fatigue is huge for most of us. That's why I introduced that topic. But let me see if I can do one more. Feeling helpless and hopeless at this time in the past, so I still have layers of helpless and hopeless fatigue. And I'm pretty sure I know what it's about. I will confess to everyone watching this, the hopelessness and helplessness was about politics and one or more other situations in my life, in the life of my nation, of the world. Okay, so I now release, let go of all feelings and fatigue of over and over every day. Hopelessness and helplessness fatigue. Going, gone, gone, clearing it out now, woo! And while we're doing this, let's put in some good stuff, okay? Some affirmations. I now instill into my energy system feelings of extreme empowerment, 100% life force, 100% desire to succeed and to help others. Ever-increasing prosperity in every part of my life. Prosperity in wellness, in finances, in love, and joy, and inner peace. Also putting in a reminder for daily self-care, daily self-love, telling myself how much I love myself, telling my loved ones how much I love them. And so it is. It's all you got to do. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please comment below. Even a couple, 3 words. It just makes me so happy. You'd laugh if you saw me as, oh my God, this is so nice. It's important for me to know that I'm making a difference in your lives, okay? You're my tribe, my Dowsers, my Mind, Body, Wisdom fans, like people who love Louise Hay and Donna Eden. And it's important that we get the word out so other people don't have to suffer the way we've suffered, and that led us to find this information. So thank you so much for subscribing to this channel, commenting, and checking out my website, emorescue.com. Lots of links below in the description. You deserve the best possible life, and you have the power to create it, so please use it. Peace out. Namaste. When you learn to douse, the universal wisdom is yours for the asking. Please check out my book, Fearless Accurate Dowsing, and any of my self-healing books, all available and very affordable on Amazon. Thank you.